We will be your hosts for today.
Huh? Oh, welcome to Out. This is an immersive audio-visual installation about SAP.
There will be two worlds. One will outline 3 queer stories, while the other is an imagined future where queerness is normalized.
There may be moments of interactivity, so have your phones ready to go.
We invite you to relax, have an open mind, and
enjoy the show.
I tried so hard to push it down, wishing that one day it will go away. One day I will be normal. But what does normal mean anyway? No, as in I disagree. Love is love. Personally, I like how the world is changing. It's actually comforting.
so the last thing we wanted to show you is an imagined world.
A queer world in the future.
Once you open Hoverlay, scan the QR code found below. They are also placed around the room. You should see Out's icons with a green dot. Choose one and follow the instructions on the screen.